Hello friend, you are watching ERMAC Coder channel, and in this video we will learn about form control by third party library. What the meaning of third party library? It means when you any uh, npms install inside your application, so it's called a third party JS library. In this video we will learn the React hooks form. How can we work with React hooks form? That is a external library to provide you can deal with multiple state and very easily with few line of code. So when you work it with basic state management in provide by the React.js, so it's very complicated and multi-line of code you can write. Then you can create a form application. So here is provide the library npm I React hooks form. That is the most popular React form library, and I have discussed also with other library like React forming. But here in this video we will discuss the React hooks form, that is external library to provide the uh, multiple state and easy to communicate and send your application form inside a database. Like this is the library, and here you can seen here like use form is a component are providing inside a React form hook. So I have copy all this code and make understand how can we do this. So firstly we import the React hooks form inside side React hooks form to be use the use form, and use form are using with the const value is this, and copy here, and then return the form like that, and copy here and save it, and check on your browser what will happen here. Oh sorry, I have make sense. Oh, okay, good. So here, and this is a submit query, not the submit query. This is the, so you can see in here like console. Open your console on a browser and make something like ABC, like something, and 4 to 5 6 like that, and submit it. And it submit as an object, like age is this, first name is this, last name is this. How can we do this? We can write here the placeholder, placeholder like first name and placeholder like second for the second input, and second input is last name, like that. And third input is a age input. Age input. Age input. And save it and check on your browser. First name, last name, and age. And first name is Atul, last name is Tripathi, and age is